guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. We just got a little quick Wednesday wings. Maybe I'll use that. I like that. I'm just making some wings for dinner. I'm going to use this new stuff that was sent to me by Sweet Smokie Joe. We got a little Creole kick. We got a little Honey Chipotle seasoning rub. So we're going to do a little Honey Chipotle barbecue wings.
All right, so sit back and relax, and let me show you how we do this, all right? Of course, we got our foodie out. We have frozen chicken wings. These are the party wings. They're already cut. No need for trimming on those, but they're frozen. That's what I love about this foodie. You can take it from frozen to crispy in about 15 minutes, all right? So I got me some hot water here, 1 cup of hot water, and we're just gonna pour that in there. We're gonna pressure cook this first. Get our chicken in there. It's a block of chicken wings, all right? And just put it in there. All right, guys, so that's what it looks like on the inside. Top, we're gonna use pressure. It's on high already, which we want. We're gonna go 5 minutes. Hit start. That means the pressure's coming up. And the hotter your water is that you pour in there, the faster it'll come up the pressure, all right?
Y'all, the 15 minutes is up. We're gonna do a quick release. We'll let that red pin drop. Come on back.
All right, guys, the pressure is out. Take the lid off. Let's see how these look. They're done, tender.
So what we're gonna do is I have about a tablespoon of olive oil in here with about a teaspoon each of the Creole kick and the Honey Chipotle. So we're gonna put these in there and we're gonna mix them up. Alright, so we're getting them coated with that oil, getting them coated with that seasoning. I might do a little bit more seasoning on it. We're gonna do this the same way with the barbecue sauce too. Add a little bit more of the Honey Chipotle because I want this to have more of a sweet tang than just the heat. Manage not to make a mess. All right, let's get these back in. And guys, before you mess with anything in here, obviously this is all very hot. I got these little silicone grippers. I'll put a link down below for them, but that'll keep you from burning yourself. Let's just put this basket to the side. See this pot, got the chicken juice out of there. Put the basket back in. All right, so don't forget these. If you tried to do that without these, you'd be burning up like crazy. Let's get our chickens back in there. Just gonna pour them in. I'll rinse this out and get ready for the barbecue sauce. Try to lay these flat just so they all get ample amount of heat and crispiness. Last one. These are obviously tender. Now we just gotta make them crispy. Okay. So add just a tad bit more seasoning over the top. These things are gonna have tons and tons of flavor. All right, let's get ready to air crisp this. We're gonna go 10 minutes. Let's turn it back on. Air crisp. 390 is the default setting. I'm cool with it. All right, guys, our 10 minutes is up. What we're gonna do? Oh yeah, look at that. You know what? We need to get a little close up on that. While this is air crisping, let's talk about the fact that it's awesome that you could take something frozen and turn it to crispy in a few minutes. That's awesome. Come on back and we'll see how this turned out. We'll get the barbecue sauce going. Be ready to eat these bad boys. Come on back. These are obviously done. They're crispy. What we're gonna do is add these to this barbecue sauce in here, toss them around, get them back in here, and air crisp up that barbecue sauce because I like my sauce kind of cooked through, if that makes sense. I don't like just raw sauce. I don't know if that's a word or a culinary term, but I don't like raw sauce. All right, so let's get this tossed. I got about 2 tablespoons of the barbecue sauce in here. I'm gonna try that bite right there. All right, do that just a little bit. You know it's hot. I don't know why I did that. Get these tossed around with that barbecue sauce. The fancy tossing just ain't working. You know it's tender because the wings are kind of falling apart in there. That's okay. These are lightly sauced. Looking good. We're gonna just go 5 more minutes in the air crisp. Barbecue sauce, not so raw barbecue sauce. Look at that piece just falling off there. 5 more minutes, air crisp. Air crisp, there you go. 390, 5 minutes. And we'll call these bad boys done. All right, guys, we're done. There you go, barbecue wings. Honey Chipotle barbecue wings. All right, we're gonna let these cool down a bit because they're dang hot. Then we'll try one. We are done. Again, we're done. Talk about the Sweet Smokie Joe, Honey Chipotle, Creole Kick. Like them both. Link for Sweet Smokie Joe will be below. All right, let's try one of these wings. You know I like the flats, so we're going flats first. Oh, that's good. I love that seasoning. That's good. Tender, crispy goodness. I don't know about y'all, but I like a little beer with my wings and some Corona. Cheers, guys. Well deserved, well deserved. Great cook, great wings. Not bad, guys. Again, links below for Sweet Smokie Joe's. Link below for the Ninja Foodi. I'll put that in the comments also. Guys, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Good, simple Honey Chipotle barbecue wings. Love it. Wing Wednesdays. It might be a thing. All right? Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.